They thought it was a good idea. A dead 45-foot whale had washed up on the Oregon coast, rotting, reeking, drawing crowds. And someone said, "Let's blow it up." November 12, 1970, a group of engineers wired half a ton of dynamite under the whale's belly. The crowd stood back, reporters ready, cameras rolling. The countdown began. 3, 2, 1. The ground shook. A fireball erupted. Then, silence. Until it started raining. Huge chunks of whale flesh falling from the sky. Car roofs crushed. People screaming, running through red mist. The beach was silent again, but the smell lingered for miles. And that day, Oregon learned, sometimes nature's problems shouldn't be solved with dynamite.